I like extra large, so because large, like my fingers kind of get stuck, but good for grip. Like, can you get your?
What was the name?
Kevin.
Can you grab the Kevin puppy, please? They're gonna go to like 20.
Cool.
Yeah, fine.
I know, right?
Kevin and Nico.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Let's get the company right here at this table, and your server can be right with you guys.
Thank you.
You guys doing?
Good.
The two of you?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. My name is Jason. I'll be taking care of you. You guys want to get anything to eat or drink?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you a moment to put your shoes on and everything.
We want to put the order in, but it's the loaded.
Loaded fries.
Those right?
Yeah.
Are there any food allergies?
No.
All right. What can I get you to drink? Any drink?
Can we just get like 2 waters, if that's possible?
Yeah. Yeah. Water.
And then that'll be it.
Okay. And would you mind if I got one of your cards to start the tab?
You got it.
Okay.
Stupid.
Yes, sir. What's your name? Evan? Evin? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Why do I need bowling shoes?
I don't know.
Like, what's the purpose?
I don't know.
Oh, to keep it clean?
Maybe.
Yeah, probably.
Since I think professional bowlers like to slide a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Where's my kickstand?
Oh, no. No kickstand?
I split it in the wrong button.
If not, you could use that as a stand.
What kickstand? Got the other one.
I would go first, but I can't. All right. Got the balls here. This is our lane. I'm ready to bowl. It's pretty cool, actually. Florida.
Oh, we're here at Splitsville. The really cool thing here about Splitsville is they do everything for you. You make your reservation. They got the shoes size already. They got your shoes ready. They put your names already on the board. They also have a annual pass holders discount here, which is pretty great. I sometimes forget about this place, how convenient it is. It's a really good bowling alley. And it's like right in Christmas time too. I mean, it's Christmas Day and it's not even that busy. We did have to wait 45 minutes to get the bowling lane though.
All right, so we haven't bowled yet, but we already got our fries, and they look good. Look at these loaded fries. Wow. These are fire. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Oh no.
I haven't even started bowling yet. The clock's moving. No, it still says 55 minutes. But I wanted to make sure I ordered my food, and before we even started bowling, the food already got here. Delicious.
What's this shot?
Shot. Yeah, I guess, yeah. All right. Dang.
That's good. Got it. Figured out the
There is? I don't know.
If you strike on the red pin, you get like a free year of bowling.
Did it run out of white pens, maybe?
Dang.
Also live.
Huh?
Also do live.
Huh?
You also go live.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Now watch this shot. Oh, crap. Delete, delete, delete.
For my regular shot, which was like the pop up straight in the middle.
Yeah.
But it's not really straight in the middle. It has to be like a little bit to the right of the pin, the first pin.
I know. Yeah.
Like a strike. A little bit right to the left of the main pin. The reason that you usually go straight is because I let it go a little late. And
Oh.
it lands, and it goes straight. Really late. This way. Nice. Great.
Nice.
Great.
So,
Hey, you guys aren't too shabby, huh? Got
Since quarantine, so 2020.
oh, nice. Yeah. It's awesome. You guys, you sat over Adam Lewis.
yeah,
Oh, you went over to celebration?
Yesterday, yeah, there was like a lot of coffee cups and
Yeah.
chalk riding.
So sad.
I put it on the.
Yeah. Hope, yeah. I want to ask you some stuff about Champions Gate.
All right.
Yeah.
Right?
No.
On one left. Got the piece first. All right, since I had the camera off, I've done 2 strikes because I was practicing to make sure it looked good for the camera. So hopefully this next time I can make another strike and get the turkey on the camera. So you see right there. Okay, all right, here we go. I got 2 strikes, need 1 more strike to get the turkey. Now watch this bolt.
Oh, wait, take the video, take the video. Maybe you could grab from here also. They're not using one of them.
So you can use any of them.
Yeah.
They're not mine.
Thank you.
They were all here.
I know. Careful. Not bad, though, not bad.
Oh God, no. That's messed up on that one. Oh. Oh, we got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.